What up?
What's up, homie? How you been? Good?
Good.
This shit's up for trades right now.
Good us?
Trade in the RC.
Fuck no.
Alright, it's on bag.
Loki, that was more. Loki, that was more badass.
Okay, trade your piece of shit car for it.
No, huh?
Is this one on Marketplace?
Yeah.
I swear to God, I've seen the same one, bro.
Bro, he would have traded a 20-piece chicken nugget for it.
Bro, I gotta get the clear fucking tail. That's why. I have
I'm
to
glad you do. How much are they?
$600.
God, I got mine for 130. And I still got the center ones, which is like $50. Or just make them yourself. You know how they do it? Get a hammer.
This guy.
There you go. Brain Nation.
Huh?
Brain Nation.
What are you talking about?
Brain. How we get here before you?
Why do you keep buying two wheels?
Because that's the way to go. You get two cars in one.
Named this one JPEG.
I wouldn't worry about that one.
I hear you went down. Did you go down?
I had to get on my pop shit. I don't want to start shit. These rappers is regular.